Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we again have a special guest with us, Satya, and he is here to share his story from how he entered into networking and landed into a great job opportunity. So let's hear it from him. So Satya, please tell us about yourself and your educational background.
Hi, my name is Satyaraj. I'm from Hassan. I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering.
Okay, great. So you have completed your education in or graduation in mechanical engineering. So from mechanical engineering, how did you get interested into networking?
As I started my career in a previous company, they used to have so many networking devices, and which made me so interested in doing the networking over there. When they used to do the routing part, switching the cabling, which made me so interested. And so when I get to know about there's some particular course as like Cisco and Cisco's course, I got so much interested. Okay, I took some time after 2-3 months. I decided, okay, let me choose to create my career based on the routing and switching, and later ended up with security and all.
Okay, so in your previous company, you got interested because there were devices, networking devices were there.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, like, how did you come across Networkers Home? How did you come to know about Networkers Home?
As like one of my customer, he recommended there is one institute in Bangalore, Networkers Home. They will help you in getting Cisco certification better. You can have a better knowledge from them. So I just investigated or went to the Google, let check the reviews and all. I found pretty interesting. Let me go have some talk with the institute. I came again. I took 1 or 2 weeks time, and later I decided one shot. Fine. Let me start the journey in networking.
So that's great. One of your customers suggested you to
Yeah.
join Networkers Home, and then you had your own part of research. Great. So, how was your experience as a student at Networkers Home?
It was very good actually. From the day they started from CCNA as like the very A of networking. From the beginning, we started with very basic part, the subnetting, and the how what is a network device, like hub, from the hub till the router and the firewall. After CCNA, after CCNA I joined CCNP, means the same course continuation. There I went completely into the routing part.
Correct.
And there's a switching and how the switch works. It was in a switching, and later the advanced, all about the IPv6
Correct.
and multicasting thing. It helped me a lot. And later, once I get into the security, it was all about the firewalls. How we can prevent the malicious traffic getting inside our network. That was so much interesting. It made me, I'm in a live scenario. Okay, I'm doing something good.
Great.
Yeah.
So you had a long journey from CCNA to CCNP, then CCI, where you studied firewalls, VPNs, and a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So other than your your curriculum, how about the labs? How were the labs to you?
Labs, basically, I was not into the computer system. Okay, I was not having a better devices. In order to access the lab, I need a better storage and all, which was not sufficient for my side. Till NP, I was very much okay. But after when I started doing VPN and the firewall, when I start studying about the different vendors, it was very difficult to get access.
Correct.
And here in the lab, I got complete access of all the like firewalls, means as like Palo Alto and FTD FMC, which is not possible in my device.
Okay.
And each and every time, I used to get 4 hours of slot in a day. And I used to do pretty much good research, means before getting into the lab, so that I can efficiently use the lab slot. And each and in a week, I used to get access about, I used to take around 5 to 6 slots, means 1 day off for me.
Okay, that's great. So that was the lab part. So how was your experience with the trainers?
Trainers, as I started my CCNA, I was not knowing anything, as I told. And even I have watched so many videos, I was not getting any clarification how it started and what I need to do and all. But in a live, offline class, I used to get a proper information, because there's one more person in front of me who's explaining each and everything, what is right or wrong. And in order to evaluate, I used to go with the Cisco Networkers Academy. I need to search all the details, or is it right or wrong? But it was each and every statement what trainer told, it was all relevant to the syllabus, and which made me so confident. I used to come to class again and again. Okay, I need to attend all the classes, and I need to watch the videos again and again. So it made me helpful. And trainers as like I started the CCNA with Dakshini, and later on CCNP I started with Sanal. Sanal sir helped me so lot, and with routing and switching of CCNP. And later once I come to a VPN and security, as like you Ajay sir and Sushil sir helped me a lot. And this is how the trainers made me so confident about the topics what I have learned still now.
So I have another question. Like, did you attend only offline classes or online classes were also available to you?
Means offline was available, but whenever I was not able to attend the class, I was outside or some due to traffic, I used to attend online. But online is as like a offline. There is no any difference between that. But offline makes me feel okay. I'm in the class, I can attend with no any disturbance. If you're having peaceful environment around you, definitely the online help. Means I was not having that type of situation in my home, so
Okay, so
I
you
avoided
attended offline only.
offline.
You
But
find more peace here.
60% offline, 40% online.
Okay, so more of your concentration was there in the offline.
Yeah.
That's great. So other than that, let's say, what about the interview part? Were you helped with the interviews also?
Yeah, means from the day one, they means projected each and every students as like me. Okay, they are told to attend the communication class, interview preparation class, so that it will be as basic because it's all about the communication. So from the day one, okay, as the starting, I was feeling difficult, and after 1 month of CCNA, I started attending the communication class so that I can improve my communication when I speak to some other person around me. It helped me a lot. And when I come to interview preparation, there is videos of that and in LMS, and I attended the physical interview preparation class, which they start from the basic, they explain till the end of the security in a very short term, which made me, okay, this is all required. Okay, this is all the topics I have covered, like a bridge course for the next topic. It helped me a lot.
So what was your strategy to prepare for the interview? How did you prepare for the interviews?
And the first thing I concerned about the basic, because the basic is a very good thing to understand, because once I have a basic, I can go to further knowledge and all. Means from the definition of networking till the VPN and the other firewall topics. It started with a definition of networking and subnetting, and after then the routing, how the routing works, means routers, the protocols of that like OSPF and BGP, EHRP. It just divided all the topics like segments, as like we do in transport layer.
Correct.
And this helped me, means each and everything I used to make a notes. I used to keep a separate notes for that particular BGP or OSPF. And same as like for switching the VLAN, VTP, DTP, whatever the topics, I used to make a separate notes. And once I come to VPN, each and everything was some vast, okay. I was feeling difficult in the initial stage, but I used to watch the videos again and again, whatever the videos you have provided me, the same recording of the particular day.
Correct.
And I used to go through the each and every line and each and every dialogue, whatever the trainer have explained, I need to write it down.
You didn't want to miss anything.
Not to miss anything, because there might be some technical words so that I can explain in the interview. It might help me, and it will be just like a script. Okay, fine. This is a movie and this is a script, and I can explain or I can understand better in the way, and that helped me a lot. And that's how I prepared for the interview. But end of the day, it was all about the scenario, and I can learn so many things on basics, on theories and all.
Correct.
But how the actual router and switches are deployed, how we are trying to protect the traffic coming from outside to inside, that's how it works. But scenario is the main thing that helped me a lot. Means while I used to draw the topology in event or lab, what I used to do,
Correct.
that means each and every packet captures I did in a Wireshark. Okay, this will be from the source to destination, what all happening. That helped me a lot during the interview.
So we do have some students, who are watching this video, and they might also need some of your advice that how they should prepare for the interview. So do you have any suggestions or advice for them, like how they should, like what should be their approach towards the interview?
Approach must be good enough, means not taking too serious, but making a job so simple and efficient. As like going through the videos, if you're means even I have missed so many classes in between, but in order to go back and to get all the knowledge of the missed videos or missed classes, that's so important. And not taking too serious of getting a job. Instead, okay, instead of getting into the knowledge, automatically I will get a job. Once we are having a technical knowledge and what the industry requires, the knowledge of that particular device or the technology. If I have that particular knowledge, I will be getting a job as like others.
Okay. So if I ask you, like, how many interview opportunities were provided to you?
Means I started, okay, after completion of my VPN and the web security and ESA, I thought of giving an interview. And I went and approached Amit sir, okay, what is any interviews available so that I can go and start my job looking, means as like job searching senior. And it was my first offer in Barracuda. As like I got the first opportunity from Amit sir and I applied. And that was my first approach and I got selected.
Great. So you cracked first interview itself.
Yeah,
That's great. Your preparation was really good.
I think so. But yeah, it went well.
Okay. That's great. So other than that, I'll ask you, like, how was your overall experience with Networkers Home?
It was like my second home for 1 year.
Okay.
I get bored and still 4 o'clock. And later, I used to go home. Okay, if there is any evening classes I need to attend. I was attending that classes. That's all. But the experience was so awesome. Like the people around me, they're all concentrating on their job careers. They will make you feel we are doing the same thing and I'm not alone. There's so many people around you, means around me that they're helping me. Each and every query what I have, I used to share with them. They used to explain the particular topic. By this way, I got the opportunity to work in some good company.
Okay.
And even I need to complete so many modules, I will be doing that again.
Correct. So now we want to know about your company and your current job role.
I got placed in Barracuda as a technical solution engineer. And the company is providing email security or web security appliances and services to the customers. And it's completely based on a networking security particular concepts.
Okay, that's great. So my last question to you is, would you recommend Networkers Home to the people who are watching, like who want to make a career in networking or who are preparing for the interviews or who want to join networking?
Yeah, definitely I would prefer the people who are interested in networking and they're ready to spend time here with proper dedication. It will help them in some or the other way. If they're looking for a job, it will definitely help them. As like me, since I was not that much into the networking before, and once I'm here, I'm almost thorough. Okay, not thorough. At least a 10-15% of the huge networking syllabus I would have covered by the time. And the people who are ready to do the certification to get a better opportunity in the market, they can just come in and join the Networkers Home.
Okay, so those are all the questions I had. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, sir.
And I wish you all the best in your career. And to the people who are watching this video, so thank you guys for joining us. And this was a very inspiring story from Satyaraj. And I hope I see you guys in the next video with your success story. So keep preparing and I'll see you guys. Bye-bye.